Hello, my name is Brandon Baylog. I am a student at OSUIT in the Cybersecurity program, and today I will be discussing and explaining the DHCP protocol for my Network Systems class. So, let's get started. Now, to start off, let's talk about what DHCP is. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. This protocol is used to provide quick, central management for the distribution of IP addresses within a network. DHCP is also used to configure default gateways, subnet masks, and DNS servers information on a device. Now, October 1993. I know you're wondering why it's an important date. Well, this date was when DHCP was originally defined and created. It was created by the Dynamic Host Configuration Working Group at the Internet Engineering Task Force. The Internet Engineering Task Force is a volunteer organization which defines protocols for the use on the Internet. So, why was DHCP designed in the first place? Well, it was designed to be able to enable individual computers on an IP network to extract their configurations from servers. Now, on to the usage of the protocol. Starting with the DHCP server, it is used to issue unique IP addresses and automatically configure other network informations. In small businesses and homes, the router acts as a DHCP server. And in large networks, a computer would act as a DHCP server. The process goes something like this. Once a device has been turned on and connected to a network that has a DHCP server, it will send a request to the server, which is called a DHCP discover request. This request acts as an IP address lease. Now, when a discover packet reaches the DHCP server, the server then attempts to hold on to an IP address that the device can use, and by using the DHCP offer packet, it then offers the client the IP address. Now, once the offer is made for the chosen IP address, the device can respond to the DHCP server with the DHCP request packet to accept it. A DHCP request packet basically confirms that it will use the address. Thereafter, the server sends an ACK, which is used to be able to confirm the device can use the address before having a new one. As you can see, this image shows all the steps to be able to use DHCP. Now you can see with step 1, it shows the DHCP discover and how it acts as an IP address lease towards the DHCP server. Then you can see that the DHCP offer then offers the client the IP address. Then for step 3, you can see that the DHCP request packet confirms that it will use the address to the server. Then, for the last step, the DHCP ACK then confirms that the device can use the address before having to use a new one. Now, on to the pros and cons of using DHCP. Since DHCP is used in almost every smart device connecting to a network, like computers, switches, and phones. With this type of dynamic IP address usage, there is less of a chance that two devices will have the same IP address. But the con is that the dynamic IPs shouldn't be used for stationary devices that needs constant access, because the IP is ever changing. The same type of concept goes with the person that has a permanent remote access to a computer on that network. You would then need to use a static IP in that case. Now, I hope that by watching this presentation there is an understanding of what DHCP is and how the protocol works and some of the history and the pros and cons of it. And this is my works cited, and this is the end of my presentation. Thank you, and have a nice day.